Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this video today I will show you that the difference between the character reverse and word reverse in C language. So now look into the screen and let's see the code. Here you can see here this is my the statement and what is the character reverse. So suppose okay so that I want that my last letter now come to our first letter, okay, then y, then o, then b. This is called the character reverse. Okay, suppose here we can see this is my character reverse, that first full stop, then y, then o, and then b, and then so on. Okay, so now we come that what is the word reverse. So word reverse means suppose this is my word. Okay, so now I want that my statement, okay, so now I want that my word in this statement now the same manner, okay, but only the word reverse. It means in so boy is now placed in the last of my statement. So now I want that in the last of my statement the boy placed, because the okay the boy placed, but I want that my boy placed in a reverse order. Like I want that first here come full stop, then y, then o, and then b, and so on. Okay, here you can see that my boy placed in the last of my statement, but here my boy placed in a reverse manner that I want, like full stop, y, o, and b. Okay, so this is my two video where I discussed more about this code and this program. Okay, so obviously you see this video and thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.